If your phone suddenly feels off, you might be imagining it. Today I'm breaking down how phones get spied on without you knowing, and what I do to shut it down fast. First, the playbook. Malware and spyware apps. They hide in sketchy downloads or clones of legit apps. They quietly read texts. They log keystrokes. They can ping your mic, or turn on your camera. Phishing. That urgent link. It can steal logins, or drop a spy payload when you tap. Tracking through Wi-Fi. Tracking through Bluetooth. Tracking through GPS. Tracking through sensors. Location pings. Proximity data. Device fingerprints that build a creepy map of your life. Man-in-the-middle attacks on bad Wi-Fi. Zero-day exploits. Rare, pricey, and silent. Now, what your phone already does for you in 2025. Sandboxing. Apps live in their own boxes. iOS 17 and Android 14 tighten this. Secure boot. Your phone verifies the system at power on. Rapid OS updates. Enable automatic patches. MFA. Face ID and Touch ID. Hardware security keys. Time-based codes for important logins. Mobile threat defense. AI that flags shady behavior. How I harden my phone. Quick wins you can do today. 1. Auto-update the OS, and auto-update apps. Patches beat 0 days you'll never see coming. 1. Permission audit. Camera, microphone, location, contacts. Set most to while using. Kill always, unless mission critical. 1. Strong unlock plus MFA. Use biometrics. Add a hardware key, on email, on banking, on socials. 1. Treat public Wi-Fi like a trap. If you must use it, use a reputable VPN. Disable auto-join networks. 1. Install trusted security tools. Example. Bitdefender Mobile Security. It can catch spyware, phishing, and risky permissions. 1. Check your privacy dashboard and app activity logs weekly. Look for apps waking up at weird hours. 1. Lock down Bluetooth and Wi-Fi pairing. Use authenticated, encrypted pairing only. Forget devices you don't recognize. 1. Physical security, long passcode. Auto lock fast. Don't hand your unlocked phone to anyone. Red flags I watch for. Battery drain or heat with light use. Random permission prompts or new accessibility settings you didn't enable. Data spikes, especially on idle. Unknown admin apps. Unknown VPN profiles. Unexpected device management settings. If you see signs, act fast. Airplane mode on. Back up your data. Revoke risky permissions. Delete unknown profiles. Scan with a trusted security app. Update the OS. Then power cycle the phone. If it persists, factory reset and restore only from clean, recent backups. Change critical passwords from a different device. For businesses, step it up. Use MDM, isolate work data, block screenshots, log sessions, and use dynamic access policies. Bottom line, spying thrives on complacency. Your best defense is layered. If you think your phone's compromised, send us a message using the link in the description or the pinned comment. Our team specializes in recovering hacked or stolen accounts. Stay sharp, stay patched, and I'll catch you in the next one.